Okay, so as you guys saw for the first part of this video, that was my chimney, and apparently we have like a bird, but I thought it was a woodpecker because like usually woodpeckers say like go like that, and it sounded just like that. So I'm assigned to go to chimney and look at and see what's going on. I can't really tell if there's a bird up there or not. I don't think there is, but I need to like step back so I can see a bigger picture. Okay, let's see. No, there's no bird up there. I don't know, because it was definitely doing something. Oh, I just stepped on a bee. Oopsie daisies. Now it's probably going to come back and sting me. Oh God. I think we have some ant invasion. Yikes. If you guys live in all the rainy areas and like okay, so like you know like how when it rains like ants come into your garage or house, we have that in our garage and there's like a huge line. So I think I should spray there, but I'm not quite sure. I'm definitely gonna spray there because there's so much ants there. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Those are all ants. So we're going to get the ant spray and we're going to spray it. And hopefully I don't choke on it. Okay, let's hope I don't choke on it. Oh, please die. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Okay, example, this one tiny ant. Okay, mission success. I'm not choking on it yet, but I always choke on it when I walk near it. I don't know why. Like, either it's like the smell and then like it gets into my lungs or it's something, but when I choke on it for a few minutes. It tastes awful. So if you guys have a spray, please not choke on it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.